हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, आपण 10th मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट सेकंड ह्याच्यामध्ये पायथागोरसचा थेरम या चॅप्टरच्या संदर्भात आज आपण या ठिकाणी चर्चा करणार आहोत. हियर if we take the triangle PQR, in a triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we say that triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Okay, and side opposite to 90 degree angle is known as the hypotenuse. Therefore, segment PR is a hypotenuse of that right angle triangle. Okay, now that two sides PQ and QR are the perpendicular sides. ओके, आपल्याला राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलच्या संदर्भात या सर्व बाबी माहित असणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. ओके, आफ्टरवर्ड we are going towards the new concept that depends upon that right angle triangle is that the Pythagoras theorem. आपण या ठिकाणी या पायथागोरस थेरमचं स्टेटमेंट अभ्यासलेलं आहे. काय स्टेटमेंट आहे पायथागोरस थेरमचं? इन अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, in any right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. Okay, here PR is the hypotenuse. Therefore, we write here hypotenuse square means PR square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. That means here the perpendicular sides PQ square plus QR square. Understand? Okay, or in shortly, if we denote the sides of the triangle by P, Q, R respectively. Look at here, PQ denoted by small p, QR denoted by small q, and PR denoted by small r. By using that small letters, we also write the Pythagoras theorem is that r square is equal to p square plus q square. Understand? The Pythagoras stipulates, suppose that if we take the number 5, 12 and 13, here the bigger side or the larger side of the triangle is a 13. Okay, we do the square of that larger side. 13 square is equal to 169. Equation number first. The sum of squares of remaining two sides. That means here we write 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144. That is equal to 169. Equation number second. Okay, from that equation first and second, we write here 13 square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. That means the larger side of the triangle is a square is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. That means the larger side of that triangle is the hypotenuse. Okay, in a right angle triangle, larger side is the hypotenuse, and the sum of squares of remaining two sides are equal, and henceforth we say that 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagoras triplet. Okay, and from that Pythagoras triplet we write the length of the hypotenuse is a 13. That is similar way we find the another Pythagoras triplets, which are that are the 7, 24, 25, 3, 4, 5, 11, 60 and 61, 8, 15 and 17. That's all ऑल दी पायथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स. तुम्ही ही पायथागोरस ट्रिपलेट आहेत किंवा नाहीत हे अशा पद्धतीने पाहू शकता. ओके, डू द स्क्वेअर ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट साइड ऑफ that triangle. Take the sum of squares of remaining two sides. If both are equal, then we say that the number of group is a Pythagoras triplet. But how to find the Pythagoras triplet? Formula for to find the Pythagoras triplet. Which is the formula? Very simple formula. Look at here. The first term of the Pythagoras triplet is find using the formula a square plus b square. Now second term is a square minus b square, and third term is find using the 2ab. That is the Pythagoras triplet, or that's the formula to find the Pythagoras triplet. Okay, now we take just example here. Let if we take, always take the a is greater than b. Okay, take a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. Then what happen here? A square plus b square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. That means is equal to 16 plus 9. What do we get? It is equal to 25. Is the first term of the Pythagoras triplet. Now a square minus b square is equal to 4 square minus 3 square. That means 16 minus 9. What do we get here? 7. Okay, and last term is the twice ab. That means your 2 into value of a is a 4 into value of b is equal to 3. That is equal to 12 into 2. That is equal to 24. Okay, therefore we get 25, 7 and 24 is a Pythagoras triplet. Understand? And here one condition is that always take a is greater than b. a हा b पेक्षा मोठा नेहमी घ्या. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला ठिकाणी या फॉर्म्युल्याचा वापर करून पायथागोरस ट्रिपलेट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करता येतात. ओके, also we learned in the previous standard is that properties related to that right angle triangles. First concept is that property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. What happens when the angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree? Consider a figure. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now we are going to write the relation between side opposite to 30 degree angle and the hypotenuse. Just we write here the side opposite to 30 degree angle is the BC is equal to 1/2 AC. Give us the reason. What is the reason here? Side opposite to 30 degree angle. Okay, that's the first. And the second is that side opposite to 60 degree angle, which is the side AB. Side opposite to 60 degree angle is under root 3 by 2 times of the hypotenuse AC. That is the reason side opposite to 60 degree angle. ओके, लक्षात आलं का? जर या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलची जर अँगल 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री अँड 90 डिग्री असतील, त्यावेळेस 30 डिग्रीच्या अपोजिट असलेली साइड, 30 डिग्री अँगलच्या अपोजिट असलेली साइड ही हायपोटेन्युसच्या हाफ असते, अँड द साइड अपोजिट टू द 60 डिग्री अँगल is under root 3 by 2 times of the hypotenuse AC. That is the first property we learned in a previous standard. Now the second property, suppose it name it PQR, in which angle Q is a 90 degree. Okay. Here the angle R is a 45 degree and angle P is a 45 degree. Now in a right angle triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 45 degree. and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Also, we write the name of the triangle is the isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, हा isosceles right angle triangle सुद्धा असतो. That means here the side QR and side PQ are congruent. That is the isosceles right angle triangle. And henceforth, we write here the side opposite to 45 degree angles. That means here we write here the sides opposite to 45 degree angles, which are PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1 by under root 2 times hypotenuse PR. Why? Side opposite to 45 degree angles. Okay, म्हणजे हा theorem आहे. But what is the statement of the theorem? If the angles of the triangles are 45, 45, 90 degree, then the side opposite to 45 degree angle is 1 by under root times of the hypotenuse. म्हणजे या दोन प्रॉपर्टी की जी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी या प्रकरणामध्ये पुढील भागासाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त आहेत ते आपण या ठिकाणी तरी त्याचं रिव्हिजन घेतलेलं आहे. Now we are going towards the next concept in the chapter is that the similarity of right angled triangles. What is the similarity? Look at the statement. In a right angled triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. What is given here in that statement? Look at here. The given, that is an if then statement, that is the conditional statement. Between the if and then, that is a given. Look at here. Between the if and then, that is a given here. That means here given the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse. That means in a right angle triangles, the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse. म्हणजे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी काय दिलेलं आहे? एक right angle triangle दिलेला आहे. Look at the figure. A triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree and altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse from the vertex P, which is the segment BD. ओके, मग आता इथे काय झालं? हे गिवन आहे. गिवन वरून आपण या ठिकाणी फिगर कन्स्ट्रक्ट केली. Now, what is to prove? Then, two triangles formed are similar to the original triangles. Which triangles are formed here? Look at here. Triangle ADB and triangle BDC are formed here. That are similar with the original triangle ABC and similar to each other. म्हणजे ते एकमेकांशी सुद्धा सिमिलर आहेत हे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. अंडरस्टँड? व्हॉट इज द गिवन? In a right angle triangle, ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. State the angle, which is the right angle here. Angle B is 90 degree and segment BD is an altitude. Okay, segment BD is an altitude drawn on hypotenuse AC. Okay, in that is we write here the betweenness A, D is between of A and C. Okay, understand? What is to prove? The triangles formed which are similar with the original triangle and also similar with each other. That means here triangle ABC is similar with triangle ADB. Okay, triangle ABC is similar with also triangle BDC. First to, and the second to prove is that triangle ABC is similar with triangle ADB is similar with triangle BDC. That is our to prove. हे आपलं to prove आहे. Now how to write the proof? Proof कसं लिहायचं ते पाहूया आपण. Now look at the figure in a triangle ABC and triangle ADB. या दोन ट्रायंगलचं कंपॅरिझन करा. Now in a triangle ABC and a triangle ADB, look at both the triangles. Now, what about the angle BAC and angle DAB? Both are congruent angles. Why? Because common angle. Okay, angle A is a common angle, and henceforth that's is a congruent here. Now the next angle ABC. Angle ABC is congruent with angle ADB. Angle ADB. Both 90-degree angles, or each 90-degree angle. Okay. Therefore, we say that triangle ABC is similar with triangle ADB. Okay, here the equation number first, and the reason is that angle test of a similarity. Okay, we get the equation number first. Now take also in case of in a triangle ABC and triangle next pair BDC, triangle BDC. या दोन ट्रायंगलचा आता विचार करूया. या दोन ट्रायंगल मध्ये सुद्धा अँगल सी हा कॉमन अँगल आहे. दॅट मीन्स हियर वी राईट therefore angle ACB is congruent with angle C हा कॉमन अँगल आहे, त्यामुळे अँगल ACB is congruent with angle BCD. Okay, give as the reason common angle. Okay, now also here angle ABC is congruent with angle BDC. Why? Both 90 degree. दोन्ही 90 degree आहेत. Why? Given here altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse. Therefore, again we say that triangle ABC is similar with triangle BDC. Give the equation number second, and the reason is that A test of similarity. म्हणजेच आपलं इथं पहिलं जे प्रूव्ह आहे तो प्रूव्ह आहे ते प्रूव्ह झालेलं आहे. पाहिजे प्रूव्ह झालेलं आहे. कसं? ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ADB. Triangle ABC is similar to the triangle BDC. Now, how to get the second? Therefore, it's right here. Triangle ABC is similar with triangle ADB is similar with triangle BDC from first and second, and also property of similar triangles. Okay, property of a similar triangles. Hence, we say that in a right angle triangle, altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse. Two triangles forms are similar with the original triangle and also similar with the each other, and hence the similarity of right angle triangle is proved here. Now we are going towards the next concept in that chapter, is that the theorem of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is a geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Okay, that is a general statement. Then how to write its proof? First of all, construct the figure from the given segment. So the figure here given the right angle triangle and the perpendicular drawn on the hypotenuse from the vertex opposite to that hypotenuse is the segment BD here. Then it is a geometric mean into which the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. That means here BD is the geometric mean. That means the hypotenuse is divided into two parts, AD and DC. Okay, these are the two parts of the hypotenuse. Then the geometric mean is the BD is written as BD square. Also, always geometric mean is written in the form of the square. BD square is equal to the parts into which that geometric mean divides that segment. That means AD into DC. That is our to prove. ओके, हे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. व्हॉट इज द गिवन इन अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल ABC segment BD perpendicular on the hypotenuse AC, and here we also write the angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, that's the given, and that is the segment BD is a geometric mean. Okay, now what is to prove? To prove is right here from the figure the geometric mean, that means the segment BD, its square is equal to the product of the part which is made by that geometric mean of that hypotenuse, that means the AD into DC. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. मग आता इथं कोणता कन्सेप्ट वापरायचा आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी? ओके, लुक ॲट हियर इन द फिगर the perpendicular drawn on the hypotenuse from the vertex. Then we say that the two triangles made here that are similar with each other are also similar with the original triangle, and that's the similarity in the right angle triangles. Okay, therefore in a proof we are going to use the similarity of a right angle triangles here. But triangle ADB is similar with triangle BDC. Why? The reason is that similarity of a right angled triangle. त्यामुळे इथं दोन जे ट्रायंगल्स तयार झालेले आहेत या परपेंडिक्युलर मुळे ते सिमिलर असतात. ते आपण मागच्या थेरम मध्ये प्रूव्ह केलेले आहे. नाउ फ्रॉम दॅट राइट द इसेन्शियल साइड्स आर इन अ प्रोपोर्शन. जे आवश्यक आहेत त्या साइड्स आपण इथं प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये घेणार. दॅट मीन्स हियर वी राइट AD upon BD is equal to, look at here, BD upon DC. Okay, give us the reason corresponding sides of a similar triangle, and henceforth by the cross multiplication we write here BD square is equal to AD into DC. Hence the theorem of geometric mean is proved here. Okay, understand? Now we are going towards the next concept in our chapter, is that the Pythagoras theorem. We know the statement of the Pythagoras theorem is that in a right angled triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. आता इथं काय गिवन आहे? दॅट्स इज ऑल्सो अ जनरल स्टेटमेंट. इथं काय गिवन आहे ते आपण या ठिकाणी बघूया. व्हॉट इज द गिवन हियर? Given only the right angle triangle, its known things are the hypotenuse and its a perpendicular side just. Okay, now first of all we consider a right angle triangle. Given the just right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree and segment AC is the hypotenuse, then what is to prove? Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. That means simply here we write hypotenuse square means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is the given and that is to prove. Then how to write the proof of that theorem? Given triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Angled triangle. Okay, and in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Just simply that's is given. Okay, एवढंच फक्त भाग आपल्याला या ठिकाणी. Now what is to prove? To prove is that the hypotenuse square, that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. आता इथं आपल्याला या ठिकाणी याचं प्रूफ देण्यासाठी, या थेरमचं प्रूफ देण्यासाठी ही दिलेली माहिती सफिशियंट नाही. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी काय करावं लागणार आहे? कन्स्ट्रक्शन करावं लागणार. आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शन कसं करायचं की जो आपल्याला या ठिकाणी या चॅप्टर मधला किंवा ह्याच्या अगोदर जे आपल्याकडे प्रिव्हियस नॉलेज आहे त्याच्या आधारे कन्स्ट्रक्शन करायचं. दॅट मीन्स हिअर वी कन्स्ट्रक्ट. जर आपण इथं BD हा AC वरती हायपोटेन्युस वरती जर परपेंडिक्युलर काढला तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? करेक्ट, म्हणजे दोन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल मिळाले. म्हणजेच इथं 2 राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आणि ओरिजिनल एक राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल म्हणजे 3 राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल मिळाले आणि यांच्यामधलं रिलेशन आपल्याला माहिती आहे. दॅट मीन्स द सिमिलरिटी ऑफ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल्स म्हणजे ते आपल्याला या ठिकाणी वापरावं लागणार आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राईट द कन्स्ट्रक्शन. Draw segment BD perpendicular on the hypotenuse AC and there is in such a way that D is between of A and C. Okay, now write the proof. We know triangle ABC is a similar with triangle ADB is similar with triangle BDC. Give us the equation number first, and the reason is that similarity in a right angled triangle. Okay, reason is that similarity in a right angled triangle. Now from that first of all take that is we write here triangle ABC is similar with triangle ADB from first. Okay, now write the essential sides are in proportion. Therefore write here AB upon AD is equal to which sides are essential here? Next sides AC upon AB. That are the corresponding sides of a similar triangle. And from that equation we write here AB square is equal to AD into AC. Give us the equation number second. Okay. Similarly, triangle ABC is similar with triangle BDC from first. Okay. Take the essential sides are in proportion. AC upon BC is equal to BC upon DC. Give us the equation number reason. Give us the reason is that the corresponding sides are for similar triangles. Now take the cross multiplication here. BC square is equal to AC into DC. Equation number equation number third. From the equation second and third, therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to, we take the addition of the equation second and third. AB square plus AC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into this. That is from second and third. 2 आणि 3 वरून आपण हे मिळवलं. That is here we write AC as a common. Write the remaining terms are in a bracket. That means here AC is in a bracket is a common. Write remaining terms AD plus DC. AD plus DC. Look at here AD plus DC by betweenness property. Here we write here AC into AC. Look at here AD plus DC. AD plus DC ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? AC आली betweenness property. Since D is between of A and C. Therefore, right here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That means we write here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is our to prove, and hence we proved the Pythagoras theorem here. The hypotenuse square in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. Understand? म्हणजेच आपण आजच्या या व्हिडिओ मध्ये काय काय पाहिलं पहा. पायथागोरस ट्रिपलेट, 30 डिग्री 60 डिग्री 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टी, 45 45 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगलची प्रॉपर्टी आणि सिमिलरिटी इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स, geometry mean property, and lastly we learned the most important concept is that the Pythagoras theorem. Understand? म्हणजे हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचे भाग आपण या ठिकाणी आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिलेले आहेत. नाउ वी स्टॉप हियर. नाउ वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. बी सेफ अँड टेक केअर.